Just going to show you what happens. This box has been recode about 4 years ago by another workshop, and what happened, I believe, they tightened up the valve body with the Tek guns. I've tried getting this bolt off here. I've got all the rest of them off. They were very tight, and you can see how it's so tight it's actually dug into the valve body. Problem that I've come across is that there's not much room there. I've tried tapping the little Torx socket in as hard as I can, and it won't dislodge it. It's actually stripped the hex inside the bolt. And what I also did, because the end of these have a little bit of a chamfer, I've ground it down so I can go in as deep as possible. But I ended up stripping it, if you can see that. So now basically I have to get it off with a chisel. So I've got this chisel here and I've made sure it's nice and sharp on the end. These are hardened steel, so they're going to blunt your chisel pretty easily. And the first thing I did was I tapped it in just a little bit past halfway, so I just sort of hammered a little slot or an edge into it and then tapped it out slowly. Now trying to get it in on an angle there, and also resting the chisel just so it doesn't slip out of place. Make sure you lean it against whatever you can. You can see it's gone in pretty bloody hard, and it's probably the worst bolt on these valve bodies. There we go. Looks like it's loosened it. Now it's important to push up as hard as you can. And there you go. As soon as it's loose, it comes off quite easily. Well, not that easily, but we got it out. I was wondering if that trick didn't work, how I'd get that out. You can see how damaged that is. And you can see the little chisel marks that I've put in. Anyway, you may get caught with something like that. Important to not over tension these valve body bolts, or any bolts, and definitely not do them up with a Tek gun. I'd say someone's just gone and put them all in with a Tek gun. Anyway, thank you for watching.